the decision was made, everybody. The decision was made. I think you probably, after the last episode, know which one I ended up going with. And yep, went with the GoPro Hero 8 Black as the secondary camera now. So I am now running dual GoPro 8s for the channel. And I'm kind of curious to see how well this is going to look. They're looking back at me now with the image stabilization and all that, because the 4 was just so shaky. So today's video is more just kind of being a test ride with it, because it's going to be out of order from the other videos I've shown you. Because unfortunately we are going to go back in time to where the 4 is still on the handlebars, so I just wanted to test it out and post something about this, something to look forward to anyway. The reason for my ride here today is, one, we are testing out the 8 on the handlebars, but I'm also doing a little bit of a mic check. I don't know if the episode's been posted yet where I talked about wind therapy, but I subtitled that video with the preface that there was really like a lot of wind noise that day, and that was not typical from my latest experiences with the GoPro 8 with media mod. Just felt like it was really weird, but went ahead. I was a little slow at work one day, and I got a different dead cat. I got a little bit bigger one, because the one that was on there, it was a stretch to get it on, and it didn't quite encompass the entire thing. So I went ahead and I swapped out the one that was on my Senna, because it's a much bigger circumference. It made you look. And so it was able to fit over the lavalier microphone a lot easier. So I did two things. I did that, and then I stuck it further back in the cheek pad, but I made sure where the audio input was that it was aiming forward, so that would be picking up my voice better. I'm only recording the one episode right now. Usually I record 3 or 4 episodes at a time, but I don't have the safety net of the GoPro 4's Senna capability to record my audio anymore. So now I am making sure I get this fine-tuned before I really go out on any 3-episode adventures. So this road here I figured would be a good test. It's windy today. We're riding right into the wind currently, and it's about a 50-mile-per-hour road. Yep, I definitely feel the wind. Wow, it's cold. Come on, Kansas. Suck. It's weird seeing the GoPro 8 down there, because I actually did lower it, because it did used to be right here, now it's down there. And so I'm just gonna play with some settings here. I think I decided I like the wide angle the best. The super view made me kind of, according to my brother, made it look like I had monkey arms, like they were really stretched out there. So that's why I decided to settle on the wide. The linear was nice because it actually made it like a nice straight line, and no fisheye effect. But the problem with no fisheye effect and everything else is it really zoomed in close on me, and I didn't care for that all too much. So yeah, go ahead and post a comment what you guys are thinking down about the rear facing now. Can you tell a difference? Can you tell it's less shaky at me? Because I can't yet. This is again my initial test ride. But no, the price on this thing, wow, holy cow, $299. They have $100 off, and it's not just at the website I posted here in the last video, it's also on GoPro's website as well. So y'all take advantage. If you don't get the 8, go get a 7 for $229. Incredible steals, incredible steals. I did go ahead and opt for the 8, because where I ended up buying it from, they did offer me 0% financing if my purchase was over $300. So have 18 months to pay it off. Plan on getting it paid off next month, but it was nice I could take advantage of the sale, even though I didn't have the funds liquid to do it. Alright, now in my head, this is definitely windier now than it was before that turn. So again, I want you guys' feedback, 1, on the GoPro looking at me, and 2, on the wind noise, what you guys think about it. Is it too loud? Is it louder? Does it seem worse than usual? I really have enough episodes recorded to last me until the middle of June, I think it is, and that's me releasing my normal 1 per week schedule. So I do have some time to fine-tune the audio, the audio from the media mod and inside the cheek pads. I'm hoping it's a one-shot deal. Like, I go home, I plug this into the computer, and oh, the angels ring down. It's like glorious, glorious. You don't have to do any other tweaking on it until you want to do dual vlogging. Guys, this is a lunchtime random vlog. If you couldn't tell, these always put me in the best mood in the middle of my day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick video. This, again, is not going to be a full-on episode, more just a filling me in type episode in between Wednesdays for you. So I hope you all are enjoying it, and I will catch you on the next dark side as this is the way. ChopperFett seeing ya. Goodbye.